Grading in Canvas can feel overwhelming, but what if I told you there are some hidden tools that can save you time and make your life easier? In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful gradebook features you might not be using yet, but should. Need to remind students about a missing assignment or give feedback in bulk? Instead of emailing them one by one, use the Message Students Who feature. Just click on the 3-dot menu next to an assignment, choose Message Students Who, and you can instantly send a targeted message to students who haven't submitted, scored below a certain grade, or just need a reminder. Tired of scrolling through endless assignments? Gradebook Filters lets you narrow down exactly what you need. Just click on Apply Filters, and you can sort by assignment group, module, submission status, dates. Need to find just that missing work? One click and you're there. You can even create and manage filter presets to use again and again. Are you still manually deducting points for late work? Let Canvas do it for you. In your gradebook settings, make sure you're in late policies and set an automatic deduction, like 10% per day. So you don't have to adjust each assignment by hand. Want to quickly grade an entire assignment without clicking each student's name? Use Set Default Grades. Click the 3-dot menu next to an assignment, select Set Default Grade, and enter the grade you want. Perfect for marking all missing work as 0 or giving a baseline participation score in seconds. Want to automatically drop the lowest score in a particular assignment group? For this grading hack, we're going to have to head over to your assignments page. Find the assignment group that you want to set up this rule for. Click on the 3-dot menu, click on Edit, and set it to drop the lowest score. Canvas does the rest. Prefer grading in Excel? You can export your gradebook, edit your grades in a spreadsheet, and re-import them with one click. Just go into your gradebook and click Export. You can export your current gradebook view. That's very helpful if you have some filters on, or you can export your entire gradebook. When you're ready to import the file back, just click Import and upload your file. Super useful for curving scores or adjusting grades in bulk. Ever wonder who changed a grade or need to undo a mistake? Check out Gradebook History. Click on Gradebook, Gradebook History. It logs every grade change so you can see exactly what was modified and even restore previous grades. These hidden features can save hours of grading time, so start using them today.